What's going on, everybody? This is Lauren with TMF Apparel USA, and I'm going to show you guys how I make mock-ups, an easy way to create mock-ups for your digital designs. This works for t-shirts, apparel, postcards, posters, coffee mugs, a lot of different things here. They have print on demand, phone grips, phone cases, drinkwares, coffee mugs, bags, flyers, just about anything that you can think of. And I use PLACEIT.net for all of my mockups. Now, PLACEIT.net offers so much more than just mockups, but we're going to go over some of those things now, and there's going to be a link in the description of this video to sign up. It is a paid service. It is $15 per month. It is worth far more than that if you are in this line of work. So let's kick it off with some of the mockups that you can do if you're in the apparel industry and you want to upload your design for a t-shirt. You go under mockups, apparel, and we can see here they have apparel, face masks, hats, hoodies, leggings, onesies, t-shirts, t-shirt videos, sweatshirts, sportswears, products only, tank tops. They got everything. Let's just pick for the start here, t-shirts. So we'll go apparel, t-shirts. And what you're going to see here is a whole bunch of mockups that says upload your image. These are sorted and filtered. These are mixed right now. I usually go to newest and see what the newest ones are out because they have new ones almost every single day. They also have filters over here on the side from all kinds of things that you can think of. 70s, 80s, 90s, drinkware, dad hats, biker clubs, so many things to choose from. But we're just going to pick one of the ones up here that full sublimated designs as well. So we're just going to do one a nice and easy one. Let's pick this one here. It's really bright and colorful. So we click the mockup we want to do. It's going to load us into a new page here, and it's going to have some options that's going to make this super easy for you to add your design to. Now, you're going to upload generally PNGs for this. It will allow you to upload some other stuff, add some text, change the color of everything. Right now, it's oranged out for sure. Let's go ahead and change the stage color to, let's just say, white. Right, so it's going to change her background, and let's change her shirt color to black, just for ease. Then we're going to go to insert image, so we can import from download stuff that you've downloaded. I'll place it from your device or recently uploaded. Let's go upload from your device. It's going to pull up some stuff here, and I will just go find one that I've got, a nice PNG that I want to do. Let's just say we're going to upload this kettlebell design here, and it's going to bring us into this window, which is allows us to size our design and also position it. Now, if you position this all the way up, that's going to be approximately 2 inches from the collar on the mock-up. We hit crop, and oh, look at that. We did it. Let's change the color of our shirt to gray because we had a black design. There we go. So now she's got a gray shirt on, black design. And if you don't like where it sits, you can resize it, shrink it down. If you wanted to make it a pocket size, you can move it, and it's going to change where it's at on the model. Now, you can change all of the stuff on the model, the shirt color, the stage color. We can add some text to it right here, you know, check out this or whatever you want to put there. So if you wanted to add more to it, you can also add some extra graphics, move them around as well. They have a whole bunch of clip art. You can upload your own. For the most part, I don't use these a whole lot. But from here, what you do is you can save it as a draft, you can favorite it, you can share it, but you just get download. And what PLACEIT's going to do is it's going to process your mockup, and then it's going to put it into your download section on your account. And it stays there forever, right? So we're going to go to view all because it's ready to download. We're going to click view all, and you'll see all of my mockups on here because we're logged into my TMF Apparel Co. Account. You'll see tons of mockups, and that's the one that we picked right there. And we can download, crop, resize it, and we can make more. So we download for web, and it's going to download it to our computer. And we can open it right up, and we can see right here, there's our mock-up with our logo, and we can upload that to Etsy or Amazon or Pinterest or wherever you want to use it. And that's how easy it was to put our design there. Now, let's say we want to use the same model. We want to do a different design, real easy. What I do is I right-click, make more, open new tab. And I'll set up a whole bunch of these in tabs across the top here, and I'll upload all my designs kind of at once. So it'll bring us to the same model, the same shirt, the same everything, and we can go ahead and change it for another design. You know, we want to go ahead and remove that graphic and put a new one up there. Let's just pick another one that we might want to do. Let's just say we'll put the Rogan one on there since I'm still in that folder. Super simple. Black shirt, different design. We might want to resize it a little bit. It's a little big on this particular model. Crop it down. There we go. The mockup's done. Hit download, and it's going to stick it right here into our downloads. And all you got to do is refresh it as soon as it's ready. It's done processing. And it's going to give you your next mockup in your downloads. And like I said, you can see all of my mockups here. I have over 107 pages of mockups on PLACEIT. So I've used it quite regularly. And we can do these really quick, saves you a ton of time. And what I usually do is I will go to the mockup section, say, you know, t-shirts if I'm making t-shirts, and I will scroll through here and I'll pick ones that I'm going to do. Right click, open new tab, right click, open new tab. You've got two different people here. You've got this funky one, open new tab, and I'll go ahead and let these load up and then upload them to all of them and download to all of them. And that speeds up my process for making mockups to use on Etsy. Now, another thing that is really cool, if you want to look over here, I mean, they've got so many things, but if you're selling something else, sports bras, tank tops, they have so many mockups to choose from, thousands of mockups to choose from, right? And you can customize all of these backgrounds, the colors, so many different options, and then you can filter them here as well, different tags, 4th of July and tank tops. So you've got some cool patriotic ones that you can do here. Another thing that you can also get into, look, they've got football mockups. Some of them are free. Magazines, prints, flyers, print on demand. If you want to do a phone case, you can do designs on those as well. And they've got different phones there that you can pick, different styles. Another thing that is really cool are the t-shirt videos, and these are super helpful for your marketing. These are actual moving videos that you can upload your design to, and then you can save out the video for your Instagram stories, Snapchat stories, Facebook. You can make so many different things, and it's real easy. It's the same process. Let's just say we do the same design that we've already done here, one that we've uploaded. We'll grab this one, throw it up here, crop it. Now, the only difference with doing a video is it takes a little longer to render than just doing a regular photo. So you go, once it's set up, you just click play all slides, and it's going to take a minute to prepare the video, depending on how many slides you have, how long it is. And then once it's done, it'll show you a preview, and then you can go on to the download section. So this just takes a minute or two. It's not super long. Like I said, I usually have multiple tabs open, so while that's doing one thing, I'll just move on over to another and come back to it when it's ready. Another feature that PLACEIT has that's really cool are designs. So you can come into the design section and pick, let's say you need you want to design yourself a shirt. You can come in here, go to t-shirt designs right here. And these are all free to download, royalty-free, copyright-free designs. And you can change them, and it shows you different examples of things that people have done. You can make some yourself and share them to the PLACEIT community. And I usually sort these by newest too. And you might find some inspiration for different holidays or events coming up. And, you know, like here's one Easter. And let's just say you just like this design. You can download this design as is and use it for yourself. You can come in here and change the words that are in it. You can change their position. You can change some of these graphics. And if you're Photoshop friendly or, you know, Illustrator or something else, what you can do is save it out with a blank background as a PNG and then take it in there and edit these as well. So there's so many cool designs that you can choose from. And I've used a bunch of them myself. You know, some horror t-shirts, you know, we can look and see what people have made for that. So some really cool different graphics that have been added and font typography. Just so much stuff to choose from that you can get inspiration from. And that goes for other things, Twitch templates, Discord themes, posters, t-shirt labels. If you need neck tags, that's on there, music and podcast. Look at that, music t-shirts. See what they got for that. Just all sorts of stuff that you can go through. And there's 21 pages of just music t-shirt designs. Then you've got logos. If you need some help with a logo, different video, highlights, YouTube videos, intros and outros. The intros are actually very impressive. It's super easy. You just put your logo in it. You can add your image there and use them for YouTube or Facebook or any of these things. So super helpful for creating content. And like I said, the best part is once you've made them, here's our t-shirt video. We'll go scroll back to that. Once you've made them, they stay there forever as long as you have your account with PLACEIT. So you could download this one here, add your own custom sounds. They do have a sound library as well. They have some audio right here that you can see, and you can replace that or just take it off and use the audio that would be on the app, like say TikTok or Instagram or something like that, or throw it in Premiere and edit it as well. So placeit.net, there is a link in the description that you can sign up with. They do have a little free trial. It is worth the $15 a month. Like I said, I have 107 pages of digital downloads that I've made for mockups, Facebook posts, Pinterest posts, Instagram stories. You need a cool template for an Instagram story. You got them right here. Boom. Videos, different sale animations. There's so many things, and all you've got to do is change some of the writing, upload your photo, and you're all set. Download it, send it on over to Instagram. So check out the link in the description. Check out the other links in there as well for TMF Apparel. And if you want to learn how to make some money doing Instacarts or on Webull or any of these other side hustles that are out there, give us a like on the channel, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time.